In today's video, I'm going to teach you how use conditional formatting on monday.com. Conditional formatting, called conditional coloring in monday.com, is a simple way to make your board easier to read at a glance. It helps important information stand out by automatically changing colors based on a rule you choose. This can be especially useful when you want to quickly identify items in a certain stage or status without reading every row one by one. To get started, open your monday.com board and look just below the tabs near the top of the board. You'll need to click the three-dot menu there to access additional board options. This menu contains extra display and customization settings, including the one we need for this tutorial. Once that menu opens, click on conditional coloring. This will bring up the tool that lets you create a visual rule for your board. If you've never used it before, don't worry. It's very straightforward once you see the layout. Next, choose a color. This is the highlight color that monday.com will apply when your rule is met. Pick a color that makes sense for the type of information you want to emphasize. For example, many people choose colors that match the meaning of a status so the board feels more intuitive and organized. After selecting the color, choose a when rule. This is the condition that tells monday.com when to apply that color. In other words, you're defining what has to be true before the formatting appears on the board. This step is what makes the coloring automatic, so it updates visually based on your selected criteria. Now click on Group. This lets you use the part of the board or the field the rule should be based on. It's an important step because it tells the system exactly where to look when applying the condition. Then click on the drop-down menu. This will show you the available options you can use for that rule. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct value, since that will directly control which rows or items change color. From the drop-down, click on Planned. As soon as you select it, notice how the table changes colors. That visual update shows that the conditional coloring rule is now active and working. This makes it much easier to scan the board and immediately switch items that match the planned condition. And that's how to use conditional formatting or conditional coloring on monday.com. Once you get comfortable with it, it becomes a great way to keep your boards clear, visual, and easier to manage.